Hello everyone! In this video, I will walk you through the process of connecting Telegram to n8n and automating your chatbot. So, get started. If you're unfamiliar with n8n, let me give you a quick introduction. In my opinion, it is the best no-code automation platform available for building intelligent agents and automating workflows with ease. One of its biggest advantages is that it allows self-hosting, meaning you can run it completely free on your own server. However, if you prefer a hassle-free experience, n8n also offers a managed cloud service, which costs $20 per month. The first step is to set up our chatbot within Telegram. To do this, head over to the setup page. You can find the direct link in the video description. Once you're there, look for the Start Bot button and click on it. This will open a conversation with BotFather, which is Telegram's official tool for creating and managing bots. You can access BotFather either through the Telegram app on your phone or directly through the website on your computer. Both methods work equally well. Once you have the chat open, click on Start to initiate the setup process. This will display a list of all available commands that you can use. Our main goal here is to create a brand new bot. So you need to either click the New Bot option or manually type New Bot into the chat. This will trigger the bot creation process. At this stage, you'll be asked to provide a name for your bot. Feel free to choose any name you like. For this example, I will name mine Neat. After setting the name, the next step is to create a unique username for your bot. Keep in mind that the username must end with the word bot. For instance, I will use KYouTubeBot, but if this username is already taken, you'll need to try a different one until you find an available option. Once you've successfully created your bot, BotFather will generate an API token for you. This token is extremely important, so make sure to copy it and store it in a secure location. It will be required for connecting Telegram with n8n. Keep in mind that you should never share this token publicly as it gives full access to your bot. For security reasons, I will delete mine after this video to prevent unauthorized use. Now, let's move on to the n8n workflow and click on the Telegram trigger node. Once you've added the node, click on the Create New Credentials option. This will open a window where we need to establish a connection from scratch. In the provided field, paste the API token that you copied earlier from BotFather. After pasting it, click on the Save button. If everything is set up correctly, you will see a confirmation message indicating that the connection was successful. And that's it. We have now successfully created a Telegram bot and linked it to n8n, allowing it to process messages and automate responses. Your chatbot is now ready to handle interactions efficiently. Thank you for watching.